Let's have a look at another 2-card combination. The Queen of Cups, one of my favorite cards in the deck. This is your nurturing, loving, emotional, very stable Queen. So this is a really good feminine, stable, loving energy. Together with the Four of Pentacles. This one is usually that you're holding on to your finances too tightly, or that you can say you've got a grip on your finances, but this is very much opposite to what you are seeing here. Here you are seeing loving, nurturing, good energy, stable energy, and here you are seeing either somebody worried about finances or really just holding on to maybe what no longer serves or having to make a change. So this is again a head versus a heart card for me, the combo. And also seeing what are you holding on to that you can lovingly let go to be in a more positive and stable relationship with yourself and with your mind. And also many times this can also be a lady or a person that is in relationship with another person who she, energetically female, is giving all her love and energy and everything into a relationship, and somebody that is holding back, somebody that is potentially holding back finances, holding back sharing of resources, and that you have to say, are you really in a good relationship if one is nurturing and caring and the other one is holding on and not sharing what they've got?